fusty, old, dusty, or having a bad stale smell. The basement feels fusty and dark. The clothes in the box became fusty. Ramble. To talk for a long time without a clear point. She rambled about her day for an hour. The teacher told him not to ramble. Guttle. To eat food very quickly and greedily. Don't guttle your meal. Eat slowly. He guttled his food like he was starving. Mizzle. Light rain or very soft drizzle. It's mizzling outside, so take an umbrella. The sky looks gray. It might mizzle soon. Shove. To push someone or something hard. She shoved him by mistake in the crowd. He shoved the box under the bed. Fiasco. A big failure or a situation that goes very badly. The party was a fiasco because nobody came. Our trip became a fiasco when we missed the bus. Waggish. Playful, funny, or joking in a light way. He made a waggish joke, and everyone laughed. The boy is waggish and loves to make funny faces. Bickering. Arguing about small, unimportant things. They are always bickering over little things. The kids keep bickering about a toy. pout. To push your lips out and look upset or annoyed. The boy pouted after losing the game. She started to pout when she didn't get the first prize. Typo. A small mistake in writing or typing. I made a typo in my email. She corrected a typo in the document.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!